You are. You're
We're
live.
Okay. Drum sets. I just have one set today, which happens to be a 1976 Tequila Sunrise Ludwig kit. This kit also has the Tivoli lights. It's not lit up now, but it has all its original lighting. All the lights work. It's a 22, 12, 13, 16 matching snare, and price on it's $3,800 with all the stands, original stands, cymbal stands. I guess that's the story there. We've got a couple cymbals. That's a Pisces 602, 17-inch. Price on it is $175, and the Zildjian 18-inch. Price $140. And that's about it in drums. There's a little bit of hardware here and there. And long drum, that's a Space Echo, kind of a drum machine too.
Oh, wow.
Or a Space Echo. This is a 60s Rogers drum.
Wow.
That's very nice. And I just got this yesterday. It's a Yamaha all brass, and price on that's about $700, and the Rogers is $500.
500 for the Rogers?
Yeah, 60s Rogers.
Uh-huh. Wow.
But yeah, if you want to take some photos, you're welcome to. So anywhere you want. Guitars if you like. Make yourself at home.
Thank you.
This is rare, not drums, but this is a 70s Mellotron, British Mellotron, the first, kind of the first sampler. But this is super rare. This is cool. This is the tape from the Mellotron.
Are you kidding?
King Crimson.
You're kidding. Oh my God.
This came from an estate. This is the first thing I saw, and I wondered, holy cow, could this be the drum cymbals from King Crimson? And I opened it up, and no, it's tape, and then I saw the Mellotron.
Wow.
So, super rare. Really cool.
Really cool.
And yeah, I mean, the Gibson is cool with its matching
Wow,
amplifier.
beautiful.
Today I got a lot of good bass guitars, the Gibson, their 70s Gibson blend, Grabber, Thunderbird, early Telecaster, 70s Telecaster. There's no such thing as sanity, and that saying is fact. I guess after that, make yourself a story. I don't know how to put it on turntable.
In the back too?
Records in back primarily, yes. You're welcome to go back there first.
Oh, Weather Report Black Market. Oh my God. Of course. Of course. Look at all this vinyl. My goodness. Look at all these books. CDs. Wow, wow, wow. Amazing, amazing.